Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate your ABN AMRO app. First, you need to download the ABN AMRO app. If you have an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you have an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. Search for the ABN AMRO app, then download and install it on your device. Next, gather the information you will need to activate the app. You will need your debit card and a form of identification such as your ID card. Keep these items close because the app will ask for them during the setup process. Once you have everything ready, open the app. On the first screen, you will see an option that says Activate the app or something similar. Tap that option to start registering your account. The app will ask you to enter your login details for the first time. Type in the username that was sent to you by SMS and the password that was sent to your email. This will log you in and link your account to the app. Next, the app will ask you to verify your mobile phone number. This is to make sure your phone is connected to your account. You will receive an activation code via SMS. Enter the code you received into the app. This confirms your phone number and allows you to continue with the setup. After that, you will need to choose a new personal code. This is a 5-digit code you will use to log into the app in the future. Enter it carefully and confirm it. Once you have completed all these steps, your ABN AMRO app is active. Thank you for watching.